Basically what's going on here is I think my Y-axis limit switch is bad. So real quick, you can see these make a clicking noise, your X and your Z. If we come back here, check out Y, it's really loose, feels all floppy and it's kind of bent looking. And then also, whenever I go to auto home, this bed will not go back. It's not going to go back on its own and hit the limit switch. So I'll go to auto home for you and kind of show you what's going on. And again, you should be able to hear these two click whenever they're met. And again, you'll see that the bed did not go back.